Sagittarius. Okay, here we go. Colors I've chosen are colors that the Sagittarius is drawn to. Purples, pinks, orange, and a little bit of yellow. Sagittarius is a fire sign, and they are full of life and full of energy. The Sagittarius is probably the most free-spirited and adventurous of all the signs. I'm creating this painting to be vibrant and fiery to represent the personality of a Sagittarius. I'm going to do a swipe and I'm using my black cell activator because I want those colors underneath to really pop. I've also made sure that the colors I chose were less dense than the cell activator because that is how the cells pop. The dense cell activator goes through the colors, creating the lacing and webbing effects. A Sagittarius really values their independence above most things. One of a Sagittarius's worst fears is being trapped or caged, being felt like they're tied down and confined. The best way to piss off a Sagittarius is to smother them. So if you want to piss them off, do that. But I do not recommend it. Sagittarius are very fun and spontaneous people, very curious and exploratory, love to travel, and always open to new adventures. The Sagittarius does not like when everything around them is predictable and monotonous. Predictability and monotony can make a Sagittarius bored, depressed, and leaving them unfulfilled. Just like an Aries or a Leo, they tend to be very impatient and impulsive and feel like they need instant results. One of my personal favorite things about a Sagittarius is that they always speak their mind. They will tell you exactly what they think, and to some that could come off as blunt, abrasive, or insensitive. And if you can't handle what a Sagittarius has to say or when they speak their mind, they're going to think, tough shit, deal with it. And to a lot of people, this may come off as them being emotionally detached, but Sagittarius are not emotional people. Water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, they're the ones who are a little bit more emotional. So that was the Sagittarius in a nutshell, and I will see you at the end of the video for the final result. here is the final result. And wow, this one definitely turned out fiery and vibrant. There's a lot of energy going on in this painting. So I would say that I accurately represented the Sagittarius through this painting. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments section. Until next time, bye.